friends, today I'll be making lung model for any projects or school projects to learn how your lung works. You will need a lung printout, link in the description, 2 straws, crayon red and pink, 2 small sandwich bags, tape, and let's get started. First, you're going to color in the lung printout. And then you're going to grab straws, tape, and bag. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your straw and you're going to put tape on it about like halfway. Then you're going to insert the straw into the bag and then tape the straw to the bag as shown. Just like this. And you're going to do the same thing for the other bag. And then you see that when I blow in, it inflates. So actually, right now it still has like a bit of air coming out. So just grab 2 more pieces of tape and tape the sides so no air comes out. Now let's check if our lungs work. Yay! Now they blow up. So we're going to repeat this for the other bag. As you can see, both the lungs are done and both of them can blow. Now that's the way to test if you've closed it properly, like if you've taped it properly, or else the air will come out. So now attach the straws to the lung printout. So you're going to bend them kind of like that, and you're going to attach it to the lung, tape it. So not the bag part, the straw part. So I'm just going to bend the straws a bit so it could fit, and now I'm going to tape it to the lung. So I'm going to tape both the straws together first so it stays in place. And I'm going to make sure it stays in place. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to grab a piece of tape and yeah, I think I need to secure it. So remember, both the straws should be secured together with tape so they don't move or break. This is just an additional step to make sure your lung model doesn't break. And then now we can grab a piece of tape to attach it to the lung models. So just like that, I'm going to attach it. And yay, our model is done! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.